Hello, today I'm going to show you how you can automatically make a table of contents or easily make a table of contents in Google Docs. So the way it's a little bit counterintuitive to start because you want to start with all of your writing. So I've listed here high schools. My table of contents is going to be high schools, and then I'm going to have the high schools underneath there, and then I'm also going to have K-8 schools. Don't panic if you don't see your school listed. I just didn't want to go through listing all of them. It didn't mean I didn't like any one of the schools. So in order to make the table of contents, you actually do it by formatting the text. So let's say I want high schools and K-8 to be the same level. I'm going to click once on high schools up here and then go over to where it says normal text, and I'm going to choose heading 1. And I'm going to do the same thing for K-8 so that they both have the same level in the table of contents. Now I'm going to do the schools. So I want Apple Valley High School to be heading 2. And I want Granite Hills High School to be heading 2. I want Desert Knolls to be heading 2. And Mariana heading 2. Now I want the rest of this stuff to show up under there. So I'm going to go to address and I'm going to choose heading 3. Phone number heading 3 and description heading 3. I'm going to do the same thing for, if I can highlight all these. Let me see if I can highlight. I can. I'm going to do the same thing for each one of the rest of these. And so now I have told Google how I want these organized. So now I can insert the table of contents. So I'm just going to put an extra space in there so that my table of contents will be at the top. I'm going to go to Insert, Table of Contents, and I can choose with page numbers or with blue links. I'm going to choose with page numbers. So now when I insert my table of contents, I've got the high schools, which are heading 1. That's how Google knows that it should be at this level. I've got the names of the 2 high schools as heading 2, and then I've got their descriptions as heading 3. And it tells me the page numbers over here. If I wanted high schools to appear on their own page, I can insert a page break by going to Insert, Page Break. And now high schools begins on its own first page, and I can go down and make the K-8 schools as well begin on their own page by going Insert, Page Break. However, when I go back up here, you'll notice that my numbers are still the same. I need to click once and then hit this refresh button, and it's going to update my table of contents. So now my high schools are on page 2 and my K-8 schools are on page 3. If I click once here, I can automatically go to the high schools. I can go back up. If I clicked on Apple Valley High School, I could go to Apple Valley. Or if I clicked on Granite High School, I could click on Granite. So this is an easy way for you to quickly make a table of contents that will automatically update once you hit the refresh button.